Hello everybody and welcome to Outdoors Britain. In this episode we're going to be heading down to a different location to hopefully get a mixed bag. Now it's been a long time since I've shot at this location, so I don't know how well this is going to go, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we manage to get something. And in case you can't already tell by how dark it is outside the car windows, it is 3:30 in the morning, because we've got about an hour's drive to get down to the permission, and I want to try and start about 4:30 in the morning. Got to make a quick stop on the way, but see you when we get there. And we've arrived at the permission. Now, first thing I need to do is get a target out and get the part zeroed, because I've finally got the 2.2 back. Now, this will be the first time I've tested it at any sort of range, so I have brought the 177 KT with me just in case. But first of all, I want to get this 2.2 tested. See you in a bit. And back to the car for a brew. Oh, I haven't said that in a while. Well, it hasn't quite been the mixed bag I was hoping for, but 2 woodies is certainly better than nothing at all. And I've also seen plenty to go at in the future. You know, squirrels, rabbits, more woodies, corvids, because yeah, pretty much everything on the list is a green light on this at this particular location. Yeah, but I'm now just about out of time now, so I think what I'm going to do is head for home, get those 2 woodies breasted out and into the freezer, and yeah, I'll see you when I get there. And I'm home. Those woodies are now breasted out and in the freezer. Yeah, it's been really nice to be out shooting something other than rabbits and in daylight. It's yeah, it's certainly promising over there. I saw quite a lot of squirrels out while I was over there, and yeah, I think I have to have a chat with the owner and see if they'll let me put a peanut feeder or 2 up on a couple of trees, and yeah, see what they say. Hopefully they say yes, and be able to get some squirrel shooting on camera. Also saw a few rabbits, not many, but there are some over there. Yeah, other than that, it's yeah, like I said, it's been really nice to do something different for once. Anyway, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. That is the end. Thank you for watching.